Good night, my friend. See you again in this channel. You can see here, this is the mainboard of the LG LCD monitor that broken, cannot turn on, and I will show you how to analyze this circuit to find the broken component. As you know that this LCD monitor just using this mainboard, the adapter of this monitor is an external adapter, so inside of the monitor not equipped by the power supply. Okay, the power source 19 volt from the adapter plug at this DC jack. The plus line connected this at this line. At this line, and across this inductor L101, the 19 volt from the adapter connected directly with this pin. Okay, once again, 19 volt that connected with this DC jack through this inductor, and then connected with this Elco capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, and then connected with pin number 2 of this IC. This is the IC regulator. The 19 volt from the adapter will change by this regulator IC to 3.3 volt. We can see this at the datasheet of this IC regulator. This IC is EPW7302B. This is the model of this regulator IC. So this is step down. IC change 19 volt become 3.3 volt, and then the 3.3 volt distributed to around this mainboard, including the LCD mainboard that connected with this port. Okay, how to check or how to troubleshooting this mainboard? Okay, the trouble of this mainboard is cannot turn on, no any LED indicator light on. So we must check the voltage condition of at this mainboard. Okay, I will plug the adapter, and let's check the 19 volt at this point. Okay, I hope this is clear. 19 volt here. This is normal, and here normal, here 19 volt normal. Pin 2 of this IC regulator, pin number 2 normal, and the outside of this IC regulator is pin number 3. This should be 3.3 volt. You can see this. You can see here this pin, no voltage at this pin. Now we have that the problem of this mainboard is not get the power source produced by this IC regulator with level 3.3 volt. So let's find what the component that get in trouble, because we can find 19 volt at this point at the pin number 2 of this IC regulator. So let's check the pin number 3 that working as outside of this IC regulator. Okay, we can check the resistance of the pin number 3 of this IC regulator. Pin number 3. This is short circuit. Okay, we must separate this regulator from the component that connected directly with pin number 3 of this IC that through this inductor. I will unplug this inductor. Okay, let's check again. This is not short circuit to the ground, not shorted to the ground. So I think the system, the power line at this motherboard is not shorted, and this side, this is shorted. So the trouble is the component that broken is this IC regulator. So the solution of this problem is replace this IC regulator. But to ensure, we must take out this IC regulator from the main board. After I take out this IC regulator, this point is not shorted again. So now I sure that this IC regulator have broken. So we must replace this. Okay, I will continue after I get this IC regulator. I will find this at the online shop. Okay, this I hope this video will useful, and see you again next time. I will show you the condition of this mainboard after I replace this regulator IC. Thank you for watching and see you next time.